Namaste children. This video is for class 1, subject computer, chapter 9, topic more about tux paint. Children, I welcome you all for today's computer class. In this chapter, you are going to learn about open tool, stamp tool, shape tool, line tool, text tool, magic tool, undo tool, redo tool. Children, what is the use of open tool? Open tool is used to open an existing file. Say for example, already if you have created any file, you can open an existing file with the help of open tool. So open tool is used to open an existing file. Select the open tool from the tool section like this. A list of existing options will be displayed. There are 4 buttons which is used to perform various actions such as open button, slides button, erase button, back button. What is the use of open button, children? Open button is used to open and display a particular image on canvas. You can select any of the image and you can see the image on the canvas like this. What is the use of slide button? Slide button is used to display the files in the form of a slideshow. So like this you can see various image. You can click onto the play button. Erase button is used to delete an image. So it is used to delete an image. So it will ask you whether you want to erase it or what. If you want to erase, you can click on yes, erase it. If you don't want to erase, you can click on no, don't erase it. Back button is used to return to the main program. So if you want to go to the main program, you can click onto this back button. Now you can also choose any of the image to be opened so that that image will be open in a canvas. So like this you can see any of the image on the canvas with the help of open button. Now let us see about the stamp tool. Stamp tool is used to stamp an image that is available in the Tux Paint program. Shall we see, children, how to make use of the stamp tool? So select the stamp tool from the tool section. Here could you able to see the stamp tool, children? Click onto the stamp tool. And here in the selector panel could you able to see the images. So you can select any of the required stamp and click on the canvas area so that the particular stamp image will be applied in your canvas area. What is the use of shape tool? Shape tool is used to draw different shapes such as square, triangle, rectangle, ellipse, etc. Children, what is the use of shapes tool? Shapes tool is used to draw different shapes such as square, rectangle, triangle, ellipse, isn't it? So using this tool you can draw only the outline as well as draw it with a fill. You can also select an outline shape or else filled shapes. To use the shape tool, what you have to do is select the shape tool from the tool section and different types of shapes will be available in the selector section. So you can select any of the required shapes such as square, rectangle, circle, ellipse, triangle. You can also select the filled shape, children. So select a color from the color palette. Keep the mouse button pressed and you can start drawing on your canvas. Like this you can draw any of the selected shape. When you release the mouse, the cursor also gets changes, isn't it? The shape also will rotate as you move the cursor. With the help of line tool, you can draw the lines, children. What is the use of line tool? Line tool is used to draw lines. Children, in order to make use of line tool, what you have to do is select the line tool from the tool section. Click onto the line tool. Select a brush from the brushes section. Select a color from the color palette. I am going to select red color. Keep the mouse button pressed and you can start drawing the line on the canvas. You can select any of the required color from the color palette, and with the help of line tool, you can draw the lines, children. What is this, children? This is ladder. Children, now let us see about the text tool. Text tool is used to create a text, display the text on the canvas. So in order to make use of the text tool, what you have to do is, in the toolbox, could you able to see the text option, children? Select the text option from the tool section. Select a font style, that is letters, on the selector panel. Increase or decrease the font size by clicking on the up arrow or down arrow. Here could you able to see the up arrow, down arrow, children? So with the help of this up arrow, down arrow, you can increase or decrease the font size. Now select the required color from the color palette. I am going to select the purple color. Now you can start typing the text on the canvas. I am going to type my name, Vidhya, Vidya. So like this, you can type your name on the canvas with the help of text tool, and finally press the enter. Magic tool. With the help of magic tool, you can apply some special effects to an image, children. Children, what is this? Flower. You all love flowers, isn't it? Shall we apply a special effect to an image, children? Here I have drawn one flower. Now I am going to apply some special effects to my image. In order to apply special effects to an image, you can make use of the magic tool. Magic tool is used to apply special effects to an image. In order to make use of the magic tool, what you have to do is go to the tool section, and here could able to see the magic tool, children. Click onto the magic tool from the tool section, so that a list of stamps will be displayed in the selector panel. So you can select any of the required stamp. I am going to select flower. Now click on the canvas area. Now you can apply the required stamp in your canvas area. So like this, you can apply some special effects to an image, children. Now I am going to stamp the grass. Wow, it is looking so beautiful, no? So with the help of magic tool, you can apply some special effects to an image. Children, if you want to cancel the last actions that you have performed, then you can make use of the undo tool. Undo tool is used to cancel the last actions that you have performed. Children, here how many small flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 flowers. So with the help of undo tool, you can cancel the last actions that you have performed. Shall we see the undo tool, children? Click on the undo tool from the tool section. so that you can cancel the last actions that you have performed. Children, with the help of undo tool, you can cancel the last actions, whereas with the help of redo tool, you can reverse the actions done by the undo tool. Children, with the help of undo tool, you can cancel the last actions that you have performed. No. With the help of redo tool, you can reverse the actions done by the undo tool. In order to make use of the redo tool, what you have to do is click on the redo tool from the tool section. So, like this you can reverse the actions done by the undo tool. Children, I hope you all have enjoyed with the Tux Paint. That's all for today's class. Your portion is completed. Thank you, children. Keep smiling.